Hey, Michelle, ready? Buck! Yeah, Michelle knew I was teasing, unfortunately. Anyway, we're getting her reaction to,
Mick the cat takes a bath.
Aww.
Oh my god, it looks like he's holding on to one of the towel rings. Excuse me, I swore never. I'm sorry, Lord. Oh, Mick. Aww. Get me out of here. This is torture. I can pretty much see it on his face. Sorry, buddy, if you got skunked or roll around in mud, you might have to get a bath once in a while. Plus, it's good so he doesn't get fleas. Hey, you want to get fleas, buddy? Aw, poor Mick. It does look like Mickey Mouse. Sorry. I know. Poor Mick. Oh. Come here. She's gonna dry you off, Mick.
Can you believe he eats Baz that much?
I've seen worse.
Yeah, but
I've seen much worse.
I remember Cheetah?
He was screaming bloody murder. Yeah, like just...
Yeah.
He was freaking out. As his owner put it, screaming bloody murder.
Pretty much. Let's see if you recognize this.
Oh yes, I will. Trust me. By the way, you might want to turn off the light so people can actually see you.
People can see me.
One back here kind of washed out, and you're supposed to be getting my reaction.
Wait, take it. Alright, here we go. That was a nice burp, I'll give you that. There are two videos of Cheetah.
Screaming bloody murder because he's taking a bath. Right. So I gotta get going.
Hang on. I just want you to see the first part to see if you remember any of this.
I do remember it. I remember him basically clawing onto his owner and clawing onto the edge of the tub for dear life.
Man, it was worse than just him.
Just
okay,
right on his arm.
Oh, I didn't click on the video title, that's why.
I can't remember what he did. Ow.
Here we go. Oh no, this is another one, but similar enough. Actually, let's
that would be made into a rather funny song. Cat is the back for Christmas. Anyway.
Crap.
I apologize.
Oh well, we'll do this one.
Okay.
This is Bad for Christmas.
And when you live around cats long enough, you've learned to imitate their meows and all that. It's great.
We had a cat once, that's why.
I miss her. What? I do.
I was just gonna say that Chinese food was delicious, though. I'm teasing. We had to put Tashi down due to renal failure.
Oh, I think I remember this.
Vijal.
You're lucky that video started or I would have walked out of the room, darn you.
Watch.
Screaming bloody murder. I knew it. Yup. More or less. Uh-oh. Aww. It's okay, baby. It's not gonna harm you. Guess he learned his lesson. He's wearing long sleeves. the one time he got bloodied up wearing short sleeves because Cheetah was scratching the heck out of the dude. Ooh. Okay, he's giving me a headache. I gotta leave.
Alright, well, that was 1 minute. So, we got Michelle's reaction to Mick the cat versus Cheetah the cat. Anyway, take care and have a good evening.